Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to create a small chart or graph inside a single cell in Excel. Okay, what I have here is that I have each customer and their respective sales in 6 months from January to June. I want to see a single chart embedded with this cell to show the trend. Okay, for that I want a line chart to see the trend. Okay, similarly for each customer. Okay, the data for the graph is here from January to June. So how can I do that? Okay, I have a trend. Okay, for a trend I am putting a small chart here. Okay, so insert. Okay, here we have in the insert menu or the tab, what you have is spark lines. Okay, so these spark lines are small mini charts which can be embedded to your cell. Okay, in a single cell. Okay, so they are not objects, they are a background, cells background. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a line chart first, then I will show you different after that I also have column chart and win or loss chart. Okay, these three are available as spark lines. Okay, so I include the line chart, then it asking me for data range. For the first customer, this is my range, January to June. Okay, so what is my location? I want the chart to be in this cell. Okay, it's a single cell. Okay, I press OK. You can see the chart is here, the trend, how it is. The first one is the January value, and it's second one February, March, April, and May is very less, and June is 1460. Okay, as seeing in one glance itself, the person can know that what is the pattern is going on in this actual values. Okay, for next customer, you can see it's very interesting to see that the customer Berks, the sales, it's the revenue or whatever, it is going down. Okay, from the third month onwards, from March onwards, just keep going down in streak. Okay, so similarly you can do it for all the customer records. What I'm going to do, I'm going to centralize and do it for all the records. How can I do that? Okay, so insert, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert line chart. What is my data range from here to all the records? So I can do it this way. Okay, I give a array of all the records, then I also provide the location where I want the chart to be. It's also a set of cells. Since it's finished in 278, this also the number of rows is 278. Okay, press OK. So in all the cells we have the trends. Okay, the line charts. Okay, so what we have here is in the design part we have high points, show the high points, low points, negative points, first point, last point, or markers. Okay, you can show any point. Okay, high point, you click it, you can see the high point is highlighted in each trend. Low point, you have the low points are highlighted. Similarly for the last one, first one, or negative points, so you can highlight the points. Okay, and also the markers are values, actually all the points actually. Okay, now You can also have customized colors and patterns. Whatever you want to use it, you can use it here. Okay, what color you want to show it, you can use your own color, red or anything. This is predefined colors, patterns, but you can also use the marker color, customized color, your own colors here. Okay, you can do your own customization or cosmetics to the trend. Okay, and what you have here is that axis, and in the axis you can see the general axis type, or you can also have a date axis type. Okay, here we don't have a date axis type. This is a general axis type. Date axis type actually will give you a series of dates are here, then it will show you if some of the dates are skipped, it will show the gap between the lines, the markers or the values. Okay, and you can also have a show axis. Show axis is to show the horizontal axis. Okay, this is horizontal axis part, and this is vertical axis part. Okay, so the show axis will come only when you have a negative values. For example, this one is 496.86. I put a negative. You can see there is a point going down. Okay, in negative point. Then you want to see the axis design, axis, show axis. See, this is the 0 point, so negative goes down. Okay, so this is whether you want to see the axis or not. Okay, that is show axis. And also you have vertical axis, also you have different things. So before that, in the show horizontal axis, it's a flat data to right to left. You can change the graph, it's more like a mirror image. Okay, and you can also take out this the actual data pattern. And also you have a vertical axis, whether you want the vertical axis to be calculated automatically or not, because each value may be different. You may have some customers, the range may be from lesser to extreme higher, some of them close together in one place itself. Okay, so according to that, the axis, vertical axis, will be automatically divided or shown. Or you want the same spark lines or the same vertical scale axis for all the spark lines, or automatic for each spark line, or each trend here, and for each customer. And you can also set what is the minimum value you want to put it to see for a particular customer. Okay, it will change. Okay, so I put positive, so there is no negative is shown in the here. Okay, so such things you can work on here. Okay, in the axis. And okay, other things, you have column chart also there. You can change it to column chart. Okay, it will show you that what kind of information is I'll make it as positive. Okay, so it's a kind of bar chart. Okay, the column chart. It is also show you the trends. Okay, this one you can see how it moving down. Okay, similarly you also have a win or loss. This one is a very tricky one, when more like for games. This one will have the same column size, because you have win or lose. Okay, for example, you have a game which can win, draw and lose, then you can give 1, 0 and -1. Okay, according to that it will change. For example, the positive one is here, then you have a 0 which is a draw, then it will show it won't have anything. When you have a lose, then you have -1. Okay, so a person having one win and win, and you lose and lose, then draw and lose, it will show. It is more like games kind of thing. You can see 3 wins and 1 draw and 2 lose. Okay, such things you can use it. Okay, for this data I just for example purpose I was showing this, but actually this is a customer data. Okay, for example you have a 3 or 10 teams having win lose draw win lose something. You can use this win and lose chart. Okay, win or loss chart. Okay, so basically this is about drawing a graph, a chart in a single cell. Okay, and also there is one more point I want to mention here is that this chart is actually the background of the cell, so it won't affect anything if you type in something on the cell itself. Okay, for example I will put the customer name in this chart. You see it is shown there, so it won't affect the cell values. Okay, the chart background is the chart. Okay, so the chart won't affect that. If you just change the data, the chart will automatically change itself. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you to create your own mini charts in single cells to visualize your data more beautifully in your presentations. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to Alan Sam channel. It is already available in your screen, and also you leave your comments and suggestions, and God bless you.